Chapter 10, Developing Whole Number Place Value Concepts. A significant part of place value development includes students putting together and taking them apart in a wide variety of ways as they solve addition and subtraction problems with 2- and 3-digit numbers. Children know a lot about numbers with 2 digits as early as kindergarten. It is based on counting by ones approach to quantity. So the number 18 means 18 ones. They are not able to separate the quantity into place value groups. After counting 18 teddy bears, a young child might tell you that 1 strand for 1 teddy bear and 18 strands for 8 teddy bears. These students have not had enough experience to realize we are always grouping by tens. There are 3 levels of understanding. 1. Children understand 10 as 10 ones. 2. Children see 10 as a unit. And 3. Children easily work with units of 10. Students do know 53 is more than 47 because they count past from 47 to get to 53. Initially, they think 53 is a single number. In this stage, they do not know that 5 represents 5 groups of tens and 3 represents 3 single things. 3 stages of grouping of 53. Unitary, you count by ones. Students name a quantity or tell how many by counting each piece. Base 10, count by groups of tens and ones. Count out groups of 10 objects as a single item. Equivalent, students group the pieces flexibly into versions that include tens and ones, but all trades have not been carried out yet. Your objective should be helping students integrate what they already know about numbers from counting by ones with grouping by tens concept. If they only count by ones, ask them, what will happen if we count these items by groups and singles? Once they are in groups and singles, ask the students, how can we be really certain there are 53 things here? Or, how many do you think we'll get if we count by ones? The way we say numbers such as 53 must be connected into the groups by 10 concept. The counting method provided a connection. The counting by tens and ones results in saying the number of groups and singles separately. 5 tens and 3. Saying the numbers of tens and singles separately in this fashion can help be called base 10 language. Students can associate the base 10 language with standard language. 5 tens and 3 is 53. Language plays a key role in making these connections. The explicit count by groups and singles matches the individual digits as the number is written in the usual left to right manner. A similar concept will be necessary for hundreds and other place values. Keep in mind that students will initially find it challenging to see 10 as both 10 ones and one group of 10. This diagram summarizes the ideas of integrating place value understanding that has been discussed so far. Note that all 3 methods of counting shown in the figure support relationship understanding when the students can flexibly integrate base 10 concepts, writing names, and oral names.